welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing great. First of all, I'm so sorry for the disturbances in background since it's Diwali and kids are being kids, so yeah, that's that. So something good happened to my channel. A brand had sent me a product for review purpose. It's first time that I'm receiving a PR from a brand. I have never thought that I would receive something from a brand as a PR for review purpose, because as you guys know, my channel is a small little teeny tiny channel. So I have never thought that this would happen anytime soon, but it happened. May not be a big deal for a lot of people, but for me it is, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited. And you guys know that I would always share my excitement with you guys, my lovely YouTube family, so that is why I'm making this video today. The product I have received is from the brand called GALSOME, and it is their leg shining serum. It is basically like moisturizer plus liquid highlighter, but for your legs. Liquid highlighters are actually very expensive, but this one retails for 460 rupees for 50 ml. You will always get it on discount on Amazon. The first thing that I did when I got this product is to look at the ingredients, because I want to make sure that this product is safe enough to recommend it to you guys. So I would definitely tell you all the ingredients are safe. There are no bad chemicals, there are no bad ingredients that have been used in this product that would harm your skin. The ingredients list is completely safe. This brand is paraben free, sulfate free and also cruelty free. That is actually another good thing. So this is how the product looks. I haven't opened it yet because I want to do it on camera. So yeah, I'll open the seal. Yeah, so this is a plastic bottle and it does have a dispenser. It does have fragrance to it. I don't think it would be bothering since I'm not applying it on my face. It does feel very soft on the skin, and as you guys can see, it definitely added some shine. I'll test this product for a couple of days and I'll be back with a review and demonstration video, and in that video I'll definitely mention the ingredients list in detail. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video.